Part 3, Commission. You will find this on page 51 in the Namibia Mathematics Grade 9 textbook, Y equals mx plus c to success. Commission. Let's look at example 3. In addition to a basic weekly wage of 450 Namibian dollar, Thomas received a commission of 1% for selling second-hand cars. Calculate his gross wage for a week when he sells car to the value of 180,000 Namibian dollar. Okay, the basic wage is 450. Now work out the commission. It's 1% of 180,000. So it's 1 out of 100 times 180,000. And that will give me 1,800. So the gross wage for the week is the basic wage plus the commission, and that will give me a sum total of 2,250 Namibian dollar. Okay. I want you to do for me, let's just get back. Do trial 3, do number 2. You can stop the video, and as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Okay, let's start. Alfonso Cavicini at Oka Furniture receives a basic wage of 800 per week and receives a commission of 7.5 on all sales over 5,000. Find his income for a week when he sells a computer set to the value of 9,990. Okay, now let's just start. So his basic wage for the week will be, okay, so let's just write basic it's $800. Okay, now he just gets 7.5% on all sales over 5,000. That means I must take this value, I'm just going to use another color, so 9990, and I subtract 5,000. And that gives me an answer of 4,990. So we will only get commission on that. So I must work out 7.5%, so 7.5 out of 5, out of 100, multiply with that 4,990, and that's giving me an answer of 374.25. So his income for the week will be that 800 Namibian dollar, the basic wage, plus this 374.25, and that will give me a sum total of 1174.25, and that will be his basic wage for the week.